Who is this? Sonic. Sonic who? Sonic Johnson? Oh, Sonic from Sonic Frontier? You're on the way, but I haven't even made dinner. 25 seconds? Give me 10. Good thing that I've been sent this gorgeous package from Sonic Frontiers featuring a variety of plates and saucers and shite that I can make dinner very quickly. And what's on the menu for today? Why, it's katsu curry. Sonic's favorite. Well, to start, we're gonna chop up a carrot. I'm not gonna peel it because I'm lazy. Also chop up some onion and chop up some ginger or grate it, whatever you want to do. I don't care. We're gonna cut up some coriander for later, and then drain those stinky chickpeas. In a dry pan, we're gonna heat up that spice mix and stir it with our Sonic spoon until fragrant, and pop it aside. Then in the dry pan, add some oil and cook those carrots until gorgeous. And then add our chickpeas and onion, and cook until the onions are translucent. Add back our spice mix, and then add our honey, and the coconut milk, and then stir to combine. And at this point, we're gonna start adding the blue food coloring, which will stay in your system for several weeks. We're gonna cook the rice in some salted water. And as you plate up, add some coriander into your curry, and then plate up. Look, I'm not gonna defend it, but I found some images online of how the blue curry is meant to look. So with seaweed, I tried to make a face, and look, I'm not gonna defend it, but I did what I did for the content. Look, it's pretty. Hey babe, am I too early? Oh hey babe, no actually, you're late. But I made your favorite, blue katsu curry. Go on, enjoy it while it's still cold. Oh wow, my favorite.